really excited for today because I have an unboxing to do. I got a Kate Spade bag and I'm super excited for it. Like, how excited? Like, so excited. I just wanted to open the box and not even do the video. But I was like, no, maybe people want to see what the bag looks like in video. I was gonna say in real life, but I mean, you know, this like whole thing. But I mean, I guess like people might actually want to see what it looks like before they get the bag. So why not do that? You can see like it has not been opened up at all yet. So this will be just what, a blind reaction. I hope I like it. I do. I feel like I will. I mean, obviously I spent my hard-earned money on it, but I hope it looks just as good as the pictures. Okay, I put the blade back in just in case anyone's like, oh my gosh, why would you open it with the blade? I keep a box cutter on me, pretty much from my previous job though. Don't tell them I still have the box cutters. That's how we're looking. That's it. Bye. No. Okay, so if it's feeling really sturdy. Okay, thank you for shopping with us. That's cool. Is that it? Yeah, I feel like that's it. So I got this off the Kate Spade, their surprise like section. Is that what it's like? Surprise.katespade.com. Yeah, it sent me there. And because there was a sale, and I love sales. Who doesn't? So I had to get the bag because the bag is usually $399, but I got it for $151. What a steal! I got the hold on, I'm trying to tell y'all what it is. Yes, okay, so I got the Staci medium black satchel. That's what we got. Okay, lots of that going on. Bear with me. They don't want this bag to lose shape. I'm not mad at them though, you know? I really love the more structured looking bags like this, the satchels. My stepdad, he be hating on them, but I like them. I hope this trend doesn't go away. Oh, okay. This came out easier than I thought. I thought I was gonna have to get scissors. Okay, the handle feels really nice. All right, and then we'll do this one too. So then that way you guys can actually see what the bag looks like. Because you didn't come to see me just unwrap a whole bunch of stuff. But so far, this is what we're looking like. I like it. I love the feel of it. It's feeling like this is going to be a really good everyday bag. Okay, I take that out too. Hey, I like to think I got all of it. My gosh. For the most part. Oh. Are all these little pieces necessary? I don't know, but it's okay. So we got like a flap in here. So you can have like maybe like put some stuff in there that you want to do like really fast, like your phone or something like that. And then you got like a little flap. Okay, it's a little flap back here. I don't know if I'll use that little flap back there though, honestly, because I have more compartments inside. With more paper. Yes. How could I forget? Okay, I see already it's coming with the strap. So that way, sometimes if I wanna go into sports mode, then all I gotta do is just click that on there, and then then I'm in sports mode, you know. You can get 2 types of modes going on. This is a true unboxing. Like, there's nothing. If you guys could just like see all the paper. Oh, y'all lived it with me. Okay. Oh, I like that. Yeah, so like first it's like this, but so like first the zipper is like that. But no, I like that, like when you're gonna zip it up. Hold on. Yeah, I like, hold on, I gotta tuck it. Okay, yeah. So that's gonna take some getting used to, but yeah, so when you zip it up, it's flat like that, and that's good because the Kate Spade bag I had before, it didn't have a zipper there. It had just like a little like magnetic part. So sometimes if I drive and I hit a corner or two crazily, then stuff spills out.
What?
And it's not often. I don't drive like that often, but this is better. This is more secure with the zipper. So yeah. And then, like I said, so then you can connect it onto here. And then of course it's adjustable. So that's nice. I don't think I'll use the straps just yet. Okay, so that's what we're looking like. We got here. We got here. And then of course, I'm gonna show y'all the inside. All right, so this is what we're looking like in here. I wish I could show it better, but see, so you have the flap, so that way you can put coins inside. So that's that. And that goes pretty deep. Yep, okay. That's that. It has a more softer lining. My other Kate Spade is just like leather even on the inside, so it's kind of cold and uninviting. But I like that this is lined. And then, yeah, okay. So then I see you have a little like zipper compartment. This is hard to do with one hand, so don't be mad at me. So then there is the, oh, what's this? Oh, okay, yeah. Okay. Comes with that. Take care, so you can see how to take care of it. I don't know why I like these, and I actually keep these. It's weird, I know. But so yeah, so that's the zipper. I guess you can put some like gum, Tic Tacs in here. I think that's what I'll do. Maybe it's even deep enough for like a pad or something like that. So that's that. And yeah, that's pretty much what the inside is looking like. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. It's not too small and it's not too big, because I do have a black purse, but I can't make it my everyday purse because it's really large. So this is a nice everyday bag, and I am really happy with my purchase. I can't wait. I'm gonna wear it tomorrow. I'm honestly, I'm gonna wear this a lot. Like, everyone who sees me with this bag, I'm sorry, because y'all are gonna be real sick of me for like a good like months.
Prepare to be sick of me. Prepare right now to be sick of me.
And I mean months. I mean, of course I'll still like use my other bags, but this is the go-to right here. All right, I showed you guys all y'all need to see. So if y'all want to get the bag, I'd recommend it. I do. It's cute. I mean, what's not to like about it? But that's all I got for you today. Well, technically it's night here, but if you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.